Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're exploring 15 dirt-cheap classic motorcycles for sale across the USA. Real vintage machines, real prices, and real history. Number 1. 1980 BMW R100 RT, $3,800, Wisconsin. The 1980 BMW R100 RT represents peak German touring engineering from the golden era of air-cooled BMWs. Designed for long-distance comfort, the RT model introduced factory touring fairings that made high-speed highway riding smooth and relaxed, even by modern standards. This example stands out because it's already been properly sorted, which is critical for vintage BMW ownership. According to the listing, major service items have been addressed: rebuilt front and rear brake systems, fresh lines, new battery, fluids throughout, and rebuilt carburetors that have been synchronized correctly. Valve adjustments are already done, meaning the engine is dialed in and ready to ride. The included quick detach saddlebags add practical touring value and originality. At under $4,000 with a clear title, this R100 RT offers exceptional value for riders looking for a reliable classic motorcycle that can still comfortably handle long distances today. It's a strong entry into classic BMW ownership without the usual mechanical guesswork. Number 2. 1976 Honda CB200T, $900, Illinois. The Honda CB200T is a lightweight, approachable vintage twin that perfectly represents Honda's mid-1970s philosophy: reliable, economical, and easy to live with. With its compact size and simple mechanical layout, this bike is especially appealing to beginners or collectors who enjoy hands-on projects. This example does start and run, though it currently struggles under throttle and likely needs carburetor balancing and tuning after storage. That's a common and manageable issue for a bike of this era. Cosmetically, the burgundy paint shows age, but the bike remains largely intact and honest. At just $900 with a title, this CB200T sits firmly in affordable classic territory. Whether restored into a period-correct commuter or refined into a tasteful cafe build, this Honda offers a low-risk entry into the world of classic motorcycles for sale. Number 3. 1972 Triumph Street Twin, $2,800, Indiana. This 1972 Triumph Street Twin delivers the raw mechanical charm that made British motorcycles legendary. Featuring a Boyer electronic ignition, this bike benefits from a modern reliability upgrade while preserving its classic character. Starting first kick is a strong selling point, especially for a vintage British twin. That suggests solid compression, healthy ignition timing, and a properly maintained fuel system. The street twin configuration keeps the look clean and purposeful, appealing to riders who value simplicity and mechanical honesty. Priced at $2,800, this Triumph offers an accessible way to experience classic British motorcycling with fewer reliability concerns than a fully original setup. It's an excellent rider-grade example for enthusiasts who want to enjoy the sound, feel, and presence of a real 1970s Triumph. 4. 1976 Kawasaki KE, $2,500, Illinois. The Kawasaki KE series is often overlooked, but it represents one of the most dependable vintage dual-purpose motorcycles of its era. Lightweight, simple, and versatile, this 1976 KE has been owned and maintained by the same caretaker for a decade. The seller reports that it runs and rides without leaks, which is impressive for a bike approaching 50 years old. New tires last year and proper maintenance suggest responsible ownership. The inclusion of the original owner's manual adds collector appeal. For riders seeking a vintage machine that's easy to maintain and fun on back roads, this KE offers a unique blend of simplicity and durability. It's a reminder that classic motorcycles for sale don't always need to be large or expensive to be enjoyable. Five, 1972 BSA 500 Road Racer, $5,000, Indiana. This is not a standard vintage motorcycle. It's a purpose-built classic road racer. Featuring a Stan Millard performance head, Triumph 5-speed transmission, and belt drive, this BSA is a rare piece of competition history. Although it hasn't been started in several years, the bike reportedly has good compression and was raced only twice after being built. The inclusion of a Honda roller starter further emphasizes its track-focused nature. For collectors of vintage racing motorcycles, this is a serious opportunity. It's less about casual riding and more about preserving or returning a rare machine to competition form. At $5,000, it represents a specialized but valuable slice of British racing heritage. Six, 1977 Suzuki GS 750, $950, Ohio. The Suzuki GS 750 helped redefine Japanese superbikes in the late 1970s, offering smooth power, durability, and everyday usability. This example remains in good running condition with a clean Ohio title. While it has a minor fuel petcock leak, that's a straightforward repair. The addition of Vetter quick-release saddlebags makes it even more practical as a classic touring or commuter bike. At under $1,000, this GS 750 is one of the best budget-friendly classic motorcycles for sale right now. It's a lot of motorcycle for very little money. Seven, 1966 Benelli, $4,000, Tennessee. This 1966 Benelli represents Italian craftsmanship from a lesser-seen brand in the American market. Benelli motorcycles from this era are prized for their distinctive engineering and European styling. While details are limited, the price reflects rarity rather than condition alone. The seller is open to high-quality trades, suggesting this bike holds value among knowledgeable collectors. For enthusiasts looking to own something truly different from the usual British or Japanese classics, this Benelli offers exclusivity and historical appeal. Number 8. 1984 Harley-Davidson FLH, $4,995, Illinois. This custom 1984 Harley-Davidson FLH features a shovelhead motor paired with a belt drive and custom paint. The shovelhead era remains one of the most collectible periods in Harley history. FLH models were built for long-distance cruising, and this one blends classic touring routes with personalized touches. Belt drive conversions often improve smoothness and reduce maintenance. Just under $5,000, this FLH offers entry into vintage Harley ownership with character, presence, and unmistakable American heritage. (9) 1972 Honda CL, $2,400, Illinois. The Honda CL series blends scrambler styling with road-going practicality. This CL 450 is described as being in exceptional cosmetic condition for its age. Mechanically, it will need carburetor service after years of sitting, which is expected. The bike briefly runs before dying, indicating the core engine health is likely still good. For collectors, finding a CL in this condition is increasingly rare. Once sorted, this could become one of the standout examples of Honda's early 1970s scrambler lineup. (10) 1966 Norton 650 SS, $2,600, Missouri. The Norton 650 SS is a legendary British twin known for performance and handling. This example shows good compression but currently lacks spark. Electrical issues are common and often solvable on vintage Nortons. With a bill of sale, this bike is best suited for experienced enthusiasts. At $2,600, it offers an affordable path into one of Britain's most respected performance motorcycles. (11) 1973 Suzuki GT 185 Adventurer. The Suzuki GT 185 Adventurer is a two-stroke twin that captures everything enthusiasts love about early 1970s Japanese design: lightweight, lively power, and mechanical simplicity. This bike remains all original and reportedly runs perfectly without restoration. That level of preservation is increasingly rare. For collectors seeking originality over modification, this GT 185 stands out as a museum-quality survivor that's still rideable. (12) 1979 Kawasaki KZ, $4,500, Indiana. The Kawasaki KZ series helped define late 1970s muscle bikes. This example remains largely original, with only minor upgrades for performance and visibility. Described as running extremely strong, this KZ delivers the aggressive character that made Kawasaki famous. It's a powerful and reliable classic that still performs well in modern traffic. (13) 1971 Triumph Trident 750, $6,900, Wisconsin. The Triumph Trident is one of the most important British motorcycles ever built. As a triple-cylinder machine, it was ahead of its time. This example has modern ignition upgrades and recent servicing while retaining its original appearance. For collectors, this is a cornerstone motorcycle that represents the peak of British engineering ambition. 14. 1980 Harley-Davidson XLCR, $4,650, Illinois. The XLCR is one of the most iconic and misunderstood Harley models ever produced. Designed by Willie G. Davidson, it blended cafe racer styling with American muscle. This ironhead example runs and rides well with only minor cosmetic imperfections. At this price, it's an opportunity to own one of Harley's boldest design experiments. 15. 1972 Triumph Bonneville, $3,500, Illinois. The Triumph Bonneville is arguably the most recognizable British motorcycle ever made. This 1972 example starts and runs, needing only minor carb adjustment. With its classic blue finish and clean title, it's ready to be enjoyed immediately. For many riders, owning a Bonneville is a lifelong dream, and this one makes that dream attainable. That's today's lineup of classic motorcycles for sale in the USA. If you enjoy real listings and real vintage bikes, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more.